Tired of weak suction and tangled hair? We know the feeling. Shark vacuums are famous for their powerful performance and innovative features. But with so many models, from the Stratos to the Navigator to the Vertex, it's tough to know which one truly reigns supreme. Today, we're putting the best of the best Shark vacuums head to head. We're testing them on hardwood, carpet, and yes, that never-ending pet hair. If you want a cleaner home and a smarter purchase, stick around to find out which Shark model is the undisputed champion. Product number 1, NV352 Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum. Let's dive into the Shark Navigator Lift-Away NV352, a legendary vacuum that truly changed the game for budget-friendly cleaning. The biggest feature is right in the name, lift-away technology. With the touch of a button, the canister lifts right off the base, instantly transforming your powerful upright into a portable pod. This makes cleaning stairs, high ceilings, upholstery, and those tight corners an absolute breeze, all while still maintaining that strong suction. And speaking of suction, the NV352 delivers. It performs exceptionally well on both thick carpets and hard floors. You can easily switch off the brush roll for gentle cleaning on delicate wood, ensuring you won't scratch a single plank. Crucially for allergy sufferers, this model features Anti-Allergen Complete Seal technology combined with a HEPA filter. Product number 2, Upright Vacuum Experience. Upright Vacuum. Self-cleaning brush roll. Engineered for more pet hair pickup with no hair wrap. VS Shark Bristle Nozzles. Voltage, 120 volts. Wattage, 1200 watts. Lift-away functionality. Detachable pod for cleaning under furniture, or detach the nozzle to clean above the floor, on the upholstery, furniture, stairs, and more. Anti-Allergen Complete Seal technology. Works with a HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum cleaner. Product number 3, HV322 Rocket Deluxe Pro Corded Stick Vacuum with LED Headlights. Experience HV322 Rocket Deluxe Pro Corded Stick Vacuum with LED Headlights. Powerful suction, thorough deep carpet cleaning, and powerful pet hair pickup on all surfaces. Specific uses: stairs, furnitures, hard floors. Lightweight versatility, ultra lightweight and converts into a handheld vacuum for versatile floor-to-ceiling cleaning. Powerful suction, thorough deep carpet cleaning, and powerful pet hair pickup on all surfaces. Specific uses: stairs, furnitures, hard floors. Lightweight versatility, ultra lightweight and converts into a handheld vacuum for versatile floor-to-ceiling cleaning. Product number 4, Upright Vacuum Cleaner for Home, Rotator Lift-Away, No Hair Wrap, HEPA Filter, Lightweight Bagless Vacuum for Pet Hair, LED Headlights for Carpets. Duo Clean PowerFins technology, 2 brush rolls, PowerFin, and soft roller provide non-stop contact on carpet and hard floors for deeper cleaning and more debris pickup in every pass versus original Duo Clean. Self-cleaning brush roll for pet hair, no more hair wrap. The self-cleaning brush roll delivers powerful pet hair pickup, making this the ideal Shark vacuum cleaner for homes with pets. The self-cleaning brush roll delivers powerful pet hair pickup, making this the ideal Shark vacuum cleaner for homes with pets. Product number 5, Power Pro Reveal Plus Cordless Vacuum. Experience Power Pro Reveal Plus Cordless Vacuum. Hypervelocity suction provides incredible suction power and cleaning performance for everyday messes. Dirt Reveal technology illuminates hidden dust and dirt to ensure no spot is missed. Hypervelocity suction provides incredible suction power and cleaning performance for everyday messes. Dirt Reveal technology illuminates hidden dust and dirt to ensure no spot is missed. Floor Detect technology detects floor type and automatically adjusts brush roll speed for maximized performance on all surfaces. No switching of nozzles required. Experience Power Pro Reveal Plus Cordless Vacuum.